Leather goods and footwear are exposed to constant movement, stress, and everyday wear and tear. Items such as shoes, belts, handbags, and leather accessories may require reliable repair or reinforcement over time. Duall-88 leather adhesive from RH Adhesives provides a strong and flexible bond designed for a wide range of leather repair and assembly applications. Duall-88 is a professional-grade adhesive formulated for bonding leather, rubber, and a variety of other materials. It creates a durable bond while maintaining flexibility, making it ideal for materials that bend and flex during normal use. Duall-88 leather adhesive is the perfect choice for shoe repair professionals, leather craftsmen, and manufacturers. Its homogeneous consistency makes it easy to spread, and it dries clear for a clean, professional finish. Duall-88 can be used for a wide range of leather repair tasks. Typical applications include repairing separated leather belts, attaching shoe soles, sole guards, and leather repair backs, installing replacement heels, bonding cork fillers in footwear, repairing worn leather linings, securing leather patches and reinforcements, manufacturing custom orthotics, and other leather crafting projects such as handbags, wallets, and saddles. Because the adhesive remains flexible after drying, it helps maintain the natural movement of leather materials. Before applying the adhesive, ensure that the bonding surfaces are clean and free of dust, dirt, or oils. Proper surface preparation helps the adhesive bond effectively to leather, cork, rubber, and other materials. Apply Duall-88 evenly to both bonding surfaces using a brush or another preferred applicator. If a thinner consistency is needed, a small amount of RH thinner can be added. For thinner leather materials, apply a light coat to avoid saturation. For repairs such as reattaching a thin synthetic backing to a leather belt, apply Duall-88 only to the leather surface. While Duall-88 is a contact cement, this method helps prevent seep-through and limits visible residue. Allow the adhesive to set until tacky. This typically takes around 2 minutes, and the adhesive will remain tacky for approximately 30 minutes. Once the adhesive reaches the proper tack stage, carefully align the materials. Press the surfaces together firmly to create full contact, applying even pressure to remove any air pockets. Additional pressure from tools such as a hammer or press may be used to ensure a secure bond. A strong bond forms quickly, allowing the repaired items to be used within minutes. If adjustments are needed, gentle heat can be applied to reactivate the adhesive and allow for minor repositioning. To remove adhesive from outside the bonding area, use a crepe eraser to gently rub away excess material. RH thinner can also be used to clean tools and applicators. Once bonded, Duall-88 forms a strong and flexible connection between the materials. Trim any excess material for a clean, professional finish. While additional fastening is not required, professionals may choose to add stitching or nails for extra security. Belts can be sewn using heavy-duty machines, and shoe repairers may nail soles or heel guards after applying Duall-88. Be sure the adhesive is fully dry before sewing or nailing. Repairs made with the right glue help extend the life of leather goods while maintaining their original appearance and performance. Duall-88 leather adhesive from RH Adhesives provides a dependable solution for leather repair and assembly, offering confidence in both professional and workshop environments.